Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open your device app store and download Utech. File size is about 50 MB. Wait for the download to finish before opening the app for the first time. Create an account using your email, a strong password, and enable 2FA within 3 minutes for extra security. Verify your email by tapping the link sent to your inbox in under 5 minutes. Complete the 3-step setup guide and allow required permissions for camera and location to enable core features. You are now ready for the app tour that follows next. Use the bottom bar to access Home, Search, Wallet, and Settings in 4 taps. Spend 30 seconds exploring each tab to learn layout and common controls. Tap the central plus button to start a new task in 2 simple steps and follow on-screen prompts. Use filters in search to narrow results by distance, rating, or price within a 10-item limit. Switch between list and map views with the top right icon for clearer context and faster decision-making. Add a payment method under Wallet using card, bank transfer, or a digital wallet in about 2 minutes. Enter card details carefully and tap Save to authorize a verification hold that refunds automatically. Enable receipts and autopay to charge secured amounts like $500 automatically for recurring services you accept. Review your transaction history and export CSV for accounting when needed. Access help in settings to start a live chat. Send an email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.